Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We all are here for a better future. So how are you all guys? कैसे हैं आप लोग? Hi Afia, hi Ashish, hi Aditi. So I hope that all of you are good and fine. And I hope that now you all have registered yourself for vote. If not, then you can still participate and vote, and you can make a comeback with Vedantu Online Talent Exam. So we have already conducted one vote on 28th March, but don't worry, you can still participate on 4th April, on 11th April or 18th April. मैम आपकी वजह से हम 12th में चलेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. या वेलकम विकास. हाय इशिका, वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून. सो ये सिर्फ एग्जाम नहीं है, कमबैक है. और जिसने अभी तक इस कमबैक की तैयारी नहीं करी है, गेट रेडी नाउ फॉर योर कमबैक विद वोट. And with this vote, you can get an all India rank, वो भी बिल्कुल free में, because this is free exam. You can get a chance to win guaranteed scholarship. आपको पक्का से scholarship मिलेगी as per your ranking. You can win daily exciting prizes or weekly exciting prizes. And the most important thing, you can become CEO of Vedantu for one full day. And you can also win a chance to go to NASA. So all these exciting prizes you can win by participating in vote. So jaldi se jaiye, register kijiye for vote and make a comeback. So these are all the prizes which you can win through vote. Now, how to vote? If you guys don't know how to vote, then let me tell you. There is a link given below in the description box. You have to go to that link. Then you will enter your details, name, class, target, board, and you will register yourself. Register करने के बाद your voter ID will be generated. And after that, you have to choose only your voting days. At on which day you want to give a vote. 28th March, 4th April, 11th April or 14th April. And then it's all done. You are ready to participate in vote. So, if you don't have the complete knowledge, don't worry. All the information about vote is available on our mobile app, Vedantu, and it is also available on our website. So, go and check it out soon. Now, are you worried about the exam format, that how this vote will be conducted? Those who don't know about the format, let me tell you that there will be total 3 subjects: accounts, business studies and economics. Every subject will have 30 questions. So total there will be 90 questions. Total there will be 90 questions. For every right answer, you will get 4 marks. For every incorrect, there will be negative marking. So हर गलत जवाब के 1 marks कट जाएंगे. And you will get total 90 minutes to attempt this exam. So this is how your exam, your Vedantu online talent exam will be conducted. Now the most important thing that comes is, you can create your own squad. Yes, you heard it right. If you don't want to play alone, don't worry. You can play along with your friends. So go and tell your friends that participate in vote and you all can play together and win big prizes together. So go and register yourself now for vote if you haven't registered yet. Now, this is class 11th accountancy session. This is for those students who are now moving to class 12th. ये सेशन उन बच्चों के लिए है जो क्लास 11 से क्लास 12th में जाने वाले हैं. And this is your today's schedule. After my class, you will be having class 12th accountancy session at 6 p.m. and class and economic session at 7 p.m. with Neha Ma'am. And if you guys are new to our channel, or if you are watching my face for the first time, or if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel Vedantu Commerce and make sure you like this video and you share this with your friends. And for upcoming notes and session, if you want the notes in the PDF form, then you can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link is also given in the description box below. Hi Dia, how are you? Hi Priyanka, a very good evening. So now, are you all ready for class 12th? Raise your hands who all are ready for class 12th. How many of you are ready for class 12th? I want to know it. Hi Swapnil, a very good evening. Aditi is ready. So how many of you are ready for class 12th? Hi Swapnil. Aditi is ready. Who else is also ready? Priyanka is also ready. Hi Ria. How are you? Afia is also ready. So Swapnil, हम accounts की class ले रहे हैं for class 12th. These are the new batches for class 12th. Okay, so let's start this session now. Do you guys want to know that what is there in class 12th? Class 12th में क्या क्या है, कौन से chapter है? So we have already discussed a lot of chapters till now. Now today we are going to discuss one another chapter. So let's start this session without any delay. बिना किसी देरी के क्लास को शुरू करते हैं. So this is the chapter that we are going to discuss today. आज हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट. Swapnil, we will be starting it from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, the new batches for class 11th. Hi Anjum, class 11 के बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं. Yes, you guys are now seniors. How to use micro course? Priyanshu, micro course, it is a course for chapter wise. It is a course that is allotted according to chapters. So if you want to watch the session of particular chapter, then you can get micro course. But if you want to go in sequence, if you want to watch all the chapters, then you should go for Pro Subscription. Okay, Ishika, waiting for new batches. So let's start this session now. Today we are here to discuss the chapter Cash Flow Statement. Till now, I have told you the financial statement prepared by a company. On maybe 29th of on Holi, I told you the financial statements prepared by a company. That two financial statement will be prepared by a company. Company will prepare statement of P&L and company will prepare balance sheet. And yesterday, in the yesterday session, I told you that we have to do the analysis of financial statement. It is compulsory to do analysis of financial statement in order to do future planning, in order to take proper decision, in order to prepare your budget, in order to assess your solvency. We have done this yesterday, that we have to do analysis of financial statement. And how this analysis is possible? How a company will do analysis of financial statement. So I told you that there are 4 tools for analysis. First tool was comparative statement. Second tool was common size statement. Third tool was ratio analysis. And fourth tool was cash flow statement. So these were the 4 tools for the analysis of financial statement. Yesterday, I have told you the meaning of फर्स्ट 3 टूल। कल हमने फर्स्ट 3 टूल्स के मीनिंग कर लिए थे। आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू द मीनिंग ऑफ कंपैरेटिव स्टेटमेंट, कॉमन साइज स्टेटमेंट एंड रेशियो एनालिसिस. Now today I will tell you the meaning of cash flow statement. It is also one of the tool for analysis of financial statement. Hi Swapnil, 12th के एग्जाम में है बच्चे. Today is end financial accounting of commerce student. Prince, I am not able to understand you. I am all good Diya. I hope that you are also good. Result आया, कैसा आया? What's the topic for class 12th? Subhashni, I will tell you this at the end of the session. Kripmar, it is not for class 11. This is for class 12th new batches. We are doing this for class 12th new batches. So now, what do you mean by cash flow statement? Well done, Diya. I am proud of you. So, okay now, no disturbance guys. Wait for your queries if you have any doubts. I will be answering all your doubts at the end of the session. Now, I request you all to please focus on the session. Okay? तो अब हम लोग सेशन पे ध्यान देते हैं, उसके बाद हम लोग अपने डाउट्स क्लियर करेंगे. तो कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस कैश flow statement? So the meaning is cash flow statement. अब इसको क्या करेंगे? We will do breakup of word. वर्ड का ब्रेकअप करेंगे, उनको टुकड़ों में बांटेंगे. So cash flow statement. So it is the statement of cash flow. What do you mean by cash flow statement? It is a statement in which we will record cash flow. It can be inflow of cash or it can be outflow of cash. Cash flow statement एक statement होती है जिसमें हम लोग cash flow को record करते हैं. Now the cash flow can be inflow or it can be outflow. So let's see what do you mean by cash flow. So a cash flow is the inflow and the outflow of cash and cash equivalent. We are not only talking about cash. हम सिर्फ cash की बात नहीं कर रहे. When we are talking about cash flow, we are talking about inflow and outflow of cash and cash equivalent. Means we are talking about the cash, but we are also talking about cash equivalent. अब cash में क्या आता है? Cash means both cash and bank balance. Cash not only means cash. Cash में सिर्फ cash नहीं आएगा, उसमें bank balance भी आता है. And your cash equivalent. Let me add one slide. So we are talking about inflow and outflow of cash and cash equivalent. Now, what do you mean by cash? Cash means both cash and bank balance. कैश में क्या आते हैं? दोनों आते हैं. कैश भी आता है और बैंक बैलेंस भी आता है. And when we talk about cash equivalent, it means marketable securities. It means marketable securities like shares, debenture or any security that are highly liquid. ये क्या होनी चाहिए? They should be, just a minute guys, I'm sorry, the slide was not visible to you. So just give me 1 minute. Yeah, now the whole slide will be visible. So, cash means both cash and bank. And when we are talking about cash equivalent means marketable securities. Cash equivalent means marketable securities that are highly liquid. That are highly liquid. Now, what do you mean by highly liquid, ma'am? What does this mean? It means that they can be easily converted into cash. They can be easily converted into cash in a period less than 3 months. So this is very important. Less than 3 months. तो वो सारी इन्वेस्टमेंट, वो सारी सिक्योरिटीज जो आप इजीली कैश में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो in a period less than 3 months. These securities are known as cash equivalent. So cash flow statement, it is a statement which records the cash flow of cash and cash equivalent. So cash flow statement is a statement which record the cash flow of both cash and cash equivalent. Cash means cash and bank. Cash equivalent means marketable securities that are highly liquid. Means they can be easily converted into cash in a period less than 3 months. So this is the meaning of cash flow statement. Now coming on to the next point. So as I have already told you, it is a statement that show the inflow and outflow of cash and cash equivalent. वो आपको इनफ्लो भी दिखाएगा और आउटफ्लो भी दिखाएगा. कितना पैसा आया, कितना पैसा गया. You will record all of these transactions in a statement, and that is cash flow statement. So we are basically recording the cash transactions only. We are only recording cash transaction. यहाँ पर आप वो वाली ट्रांजैक्शन रिकॉर्ड नहीं करोगे जो क्रेडिट पर होती है. सो क्रेडिट ट्रांजैक्शन विल बी इग्नोर्ड इन कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट. यू विल ओनली रिकॉर्ड कैश ट्रांजैक्शन. तो यहाँ पर हम सिर्फ कैश ट्रांजैक्शन को रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. प्रियंका, बिकॉज only then the securities will be highly liquid. It is specified by the law. ये मैंने नहीं बोला कि 3 मंथ से लेस में कन्वर्टेबल होने चाहिए. इट इज स्पेसिफाइड बाय द एक्ट. ये मैंने नहीं बोला. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लॉ दैट the investment should be your security should be convertible into cash within a period less than 3 months. It is specified by the law, not by me. So we have covered the 2 points. Now the third point is, what do you mean by inflow of cash and outflow of cash? अब हमें इतना तो पता है कि inflow क्या है और outflow क्या है. We have common sense. Inflow means increase in the cash. Inflow means increase the cash and cash equivalent, and outflow means transaction that decrease the cash. Inflow तब होगा जब कैश बढ़ेगा, outflow तब होगा जब कैश कम होगा. So now, what do you mean by cash flow statement? It is a statement that record inflow and outflow of cash and cash equivalent. So now tell me, is the meaning of cash flow statement clear to everyone? Meaning सबको समझ आया? Is it clear? Priyanka, Ashish, Swapnil, Diya, Subhashni. Yes, Ashish. Yes, Aditi. Yes, Nisha. Okay. So now coming on to the objectives of cash flow statement. Why are we preparing this cash flow statement? From which chapter we will start tomorrow? So Deepika, from tomorrow, from 1st of April, I will be taking alternate classes for you guys. So tomorrow I will have class 12th old batches session, and day after tomorrow I will be having your session in which we are planning for a new series that we cannot disclose right now. So we are planning something new for you from day after tomorrow that will be disclosed soon to you guys. So daily now my timings will be 5 p.m. Instead of 4 p.m. I will be coming live at 5 p.m. From tomorrow I will be coming live at 5 p.m. not at 4 p.m. So now the next topic is objectives of cash flow statement. Why are we preparing this cash flow statement? क्यों बना रहे हैं हम लोग ये cash flow statement? क्यों बना रहे हैं? What are the objectives? So let's see the objectives. First objective is to determine the sources of cash and cash equivalent. आपको ये पता लगाना है कि ये पैसा आया कहाँ से. You want to know the sources of cash and cash equivalent. For that you are preparing this cash flow statement. So first we have to determine the sources of cash and cash equivalent. This is the first objective. Second objective is to determine the application. We have in the first objective we have identified the sources. Now we also want to know that where are we using this money. So आपको ये भी तो देखना है ना कि पैसा जा कहाँ रहा है. So to determine the application of cash and cash equivalent, you will prepare cash flow statement. Third, to determine the net change in cash and cash equivalent due to cash inflow and outflow. तो आपके opening cash balance and closing cash balance, what is the net change? पूरे साल क्या change आया in the cash and cash equivalent? To find out that net change, you are preparing cash flow statement. And the last we have, okay, so only 3 points are there. First, to determine the sources. Second, to determine the application of cash and cash equivalent. And third, to determine the net change. तो पहले ये देखेंगे कि पैसा आया कहाँ से, फिर ये देखेंगे कि पैसा गया कहाँ पर, और थर्ड ये देखेंगे कि कितना नेट चेंज आया है हमारे कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट में. So these are the 3 objectives of cash flow statement. So these are the 3 objectives or motive behind preparing cash flow statement. Now, the next topic is how it will benefit a company. What are the merits, advantages of cash flow statement? How it will benefit a company. So the first benefit is it facilitates short-term planning. If you want to plan for short-term, then this will help you in short-term planning. So first advantage is short-term planning, to facilitate short-term planning. Second advantage is to assess liquidity and solvency. Solvency I have already explained in the previous session. Now this word solvency is going to come lot of times, so you should be aware of the meaning now. What do you mean by solvency? It is a situation which tell you that whether you are able to pay your liabilities on time or not. क्या आप अपनी liability time पे pay कर पाओगे या नहीं कर पाओगे? That is known as solvency. So what is solvency? It is a situation that informs you, that tells you that whether you are able to pay your liability on time or not. Now, it also helps to assess liquidity. It also helps to assess liquidity. What do you mean by liquidity? Liquidity means how quickly your assets are convertible into cash. How quickly your assets are convertible into cash. That is known as liquidity. So cash flow statement help to assess both liquidity and solvency. So first benefit, it facilitates short-term planning. Second benefit, it helps in assessing liquidity and solvency. Third benefit we have, it helps to manage cash efficiently. When you have all the records of inflow and outflow, you can manage your cash efficiently. आपको पता है कि पैसा इतना आया और इतना जाएगा. You know how much inflow is there, how much outflow is there. So now you can manage your cash efficiently. मैम ये आप तो जो नोट समझाते हो I'm sorry guys. दिया ये नोट्स आपको लर्न नहीं करने, अभी तो नहीं करने. लास्ट में यू हैव टू लर्न एटलीस्ट 3 पॉइंट्स ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव, merits and disadvantages, because there will be 20 questions of 1 mark in your boards exam. In boards exam 20 questions will come for 1 mark, and in those questions these merits objectives will come. So हमें ये learn करना है, but not right now. Right now we have to just understand the concept, we have to understand their actual meaning. We will learn that at later, मतलब last में एकदम learn करेंगे. So now the third merit is it helps to manage cash efficiently, because you have all the information of inflow and outflow. So now you can manage it efficiently. Fourth we have, it facilitates comparative study. You can compare the cash flow statement of current year with previous year. आप इस साल की कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट को पिछले साल के साथ कंपेयर कर सकते हो. सो यस, इट फैसिलिटेट्स कंपैरेटिव स्टडी. एंड द लास्ट इंपॉर्टेंस इज इट जस्टिफाई योर कैश पोजीशन. आपकी अभी जो भी कैश पोजीशन है, आपके पास जितना भी बैलेंस पड़ा हुआ है, आप उसको जस्टिफाई कर सकते हो, बिकॉज यू हैव ऑल द रिकॉर्ड. आपको पता है कि इतना पैसा यहाँ गया है, तो आप उसको जस्टिफाई कर सकते हो कि हमारे पास इतना बैंक बैलेंस, इतना कैश बैलेंस क्यों है. So these are the 5 merits or importance of cash flow statement. First, it facilitates short-term planning. Second, it assess liquidity and solvency. Third, you can manage cash efficiently. Fourth, it facilitates comparative study. And fifth, it justify your cash position. So these are the 5 merits of cash flow statement. Now everything has some pros and some cons. We have discussed about pros, ये सारे benefits हैं. Now कुछ disadvantages भी तो होंगे. So yes, cash flow has some demerits also. Now coming on to the demerits, limitations of cash flow statement. क्या क्या नुकसान है कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट के? First, I have told you this, that in cash flow statement we only record cash transaction. So the first disadvantage is non-cash transactions are not recorded. बहुत सारी transactions होती है in today's world. Nowadays a lot of transactions are done on credit basis. So those transactions will not be recorded in cash flow statement. So that is the biggest disadvantage of cash flow statement, that non-cash transactions cannot be recorded. Second, it is not a substitute for income statement. It cannot happen that you are preparing cash flow statement, so you can ignore income statement. Cash flow statement is not a substitute of income statement, because cash flow statement is just a statement of cash inflow and cash outflow. With the help of it, you cannot find out profit or loss. So it is not a substitute of income statement. आपको income statement बनानी ही पड़ेगी. This is not a substitute of income statement. This cannot perform the functions that are performed by income statement. Third limitation is it is also not a substitute of balance sheet. ये आपको financial position नहीं दिखाएगा. It will not show you the financial position. It will only show the cash position. Your overall financial position will not be disclosed by this statement. So it is not a substitute for balance sheet. इसके साथ आपको balance sheet भी बनानी पड़ेगी. The last we have, second last, it is historical in nature. Historical in nature, why? Because you are recording all the old values, all the book value. So cash flow statement is prepared on the basis of book value. Therefore, it is historical in nature as you are recording old book value. And last limitation is you cannot find out profit or earning capacity. As I have told you in the income statement, second point, cash flow statement is just a statement of cash inflow and cash outflow. With the help of this, we cannot find out the profitability और अर्निंग कैपेसिटी. आप ये नहीं पता लगा सकते कि आपको कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ है या कितना लॉस हुआ है. So these are the 5 limitations of cash flow statement. First, non-cash transactions are not recorded. Second, it is not a substitute of income statement. Third, it is not a substitute of balance sheet. Fourth, it is historical in nature. And fifth, it cannot help in assessing the profitability or earning capacity. Now tell me, is this clear to everyone? Swapnil, if you are not interested in the session, you may leave, but don't disturb other students. Himani, clear. What about others? If you guys have any doubts, please let me know in the comments box. I will be answering all your doubts. So now, this was the theory part. Now coming on to the little knowledge of practical part. So, cash flow statement is further divided into 3 activities. Second, Priyanka, the second point is, it is not a substitute of income statement. Income statement means statement of P&L. Income statement means statement of P&L. It is not a substitute of income statement means it cannot be prepared in place of income statement. It cannot perform the functions that are performed by the income statement. Income statement tells you the profit or loss. With the help of income statement, you can find out profit or loss. But cash flow statement cannot help you in finding out the profit or loss. So if you are preparing cash flow statement, you have to also prepare income statement. It is not a substitute of income statement. So this is the meaning of second point. Okay, Mani. So now this cash flow statement, this entire chapter, it is divided into 3 parts. ये पूरा जो चैप्टर है ये 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट इज फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट. ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी, इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी एंड फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी. So cash flow statement is further divided into 3 parts: operating, investing and financing. Now what is operating activity, what is investing activity, what is financing activity? We will do that in the movie or when we will be discussing this entire chapter. That's it for today, guys. So now tell me, are you all ready for class 12th? आदिति, अभी न्यूमेरिकल नहीं करेंगे, जब हम लोग ये चैप्टर करेंगे that time we will do numerical. Hi Milan. Yes Imani, इतना ही था. So now we all are ready for class 12. So say balle balle. टाइम का ऐसे ही नहीं पता चलेगा हिमानी हमारे साथ. So start your preparation now for class 12th and you can take pro subscription for that. If you guys want to take more such classes with us for class 12, then you all can take Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription. In this Pro Subscription, we are giving you more than 2000 hours of live online classes. So you can watch unlimited live classes of all these subjects, whether it is accounts, mathematics, economics, or business studies. Along with that, we are a pool of 10 plus teachers having more than 5 years of experience. And all these teachers will continuously focus on your weakness, on your areas of improvement. Along with that, we will also conduct regular test series for you guys. We will provide you assignments time to time. And most important, all these classes, all these sessions in Pro Subscription will be conducted in English only. सारे के सारे classes किस में होंगी? English में होंगी. The actual price for Pro Subscription is 3499. But we are providing this right now for only 2799 because we are providing flat 20% discount right now. So if you want to enjoy all these benefits at flat 20% discount, then go and use my promo code SCPRO. And I would love to see you all on Pro Subscription. And the new batches are going to start from tomorrow on Pro Subscription. तो नए batches कल से start होने वाले हैं. Those who have not enrolled yet for Pro Subscription, go and book your seats right now. Commerce Class 12 2021 में 2022 में आशु सर जो है accounts पढ़ा रहे हैं. आप क्यों नहीं? Milan, we have different section for that. So right now I am not taking any batches. But soon I will be also taking batches. Don't worry at all. I will be teaching to you also. So for upcoming session and notes, if you guys want the notes in the PDF form, then you can join us on Telegram. The link is also given on the description box below. And if you guys are new to this channel, or if you are watching this face for the first time, then go and subscribe to our channel right now for more such classes and make sure you like this video and you share this with your friends. Imani, I can see your comment. Ma'am, कितने दिन हो गए? Song please. आज यार कोई गाना याद नहीं है हिमानी. कौन सा गाना गाया जाए? ओके, 2-3 लाइन ट्राई करूंगी. So now see you all tomorrow and it's time to sing song. तो कौन सा गाना गाया जाए आप लोगों के लिए? मैम रोज का आंसर आपका तो मेरे को 2-3 लाइन ही आती है. So I have informed you that from tomorrow I will be coming live at 5 p.m. From tomorrow I will be coming live at 5 p.m. only, and you will be having your classes on alternate day for account. So from tomorrow you don't have any session. You will be having your session day after tomorrow, that is on 2nd April. तो आपकी कल कोई क्लास नहीं है, आपकी क्लास परसों होगी 5 बजे. तो गाना गा देते हैं. मैम लुट गए, कौन लुट गए भाई? तू नज्म नज्म सा मेरे रूह पे आके थम जा, किस ओर तेरी शहनाई जिस ओर मैं जागू रे, तू इश्क इश्क सा मेरे रूह पे आके थम जा, किस ओर मेरी। इतना मतलब थोड़ा बहुत ही आता था बस। मैम आप ऑल्टरनेट लेने लग गए हो। यस हिमानी, नाउ फॉर फ्यू डेज आई विल बी टेकिंग ऑल्टरनेट क्लासेस। सॉन्ग रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं आता था। यस, सॉन्ग रिकॉर्डेड वाले सेशन में नहीं आता था। So now I have to learn new songs for you guys. I will work on that. So now thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So if you have not liked this video, then go and like it, give it a big thumbs up, and see you all in next class on 2nd April, day after tomorrow at 5 p.m. कल तो क्लास ही नहीं है हिमानी, आपकी कल क्लास नहीं है. यू विल बी हैविंग द क्लासेस ऑन ऑल्टरनेट डे. इट मीन्स नाउ यू विल बी हैविंग योर क्लास ऑन 2nd of April. So now see you all on 2nd April. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Have a good day guys. See you all on 2nd April. So bye everyone.